Hi, I'm Steve with Michigan Skier, and we're going to be waxing skis today. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to wash and clean your bases. Second step, put wax on your bases. Just drip it on there. Less is more. Then you're going to want to wait 30 minutes to 1 hour. I waited overnight. Then you're going to scrape that wax off. Keep going until there's no more wax coming off. Last thing you're going to want to do is you want to brush the wax. There's little grooves in your skis. You want to brush that wax out of them so the water can get out.